Making your own homemade DIY birthday gifts for your friends and family is a great way to show your care. You can put your heart and soul into handmade birthday gifts that make something truly unique. Plus, it is very budget friendly as well. Find more than 40 easy DIY birthday gift ideas in this video to help you make the perfect homemade present on any budget. Whether it be a scented candle, a gift basket, a creative photo collage, or anything else that sparks your creativity. All these personal touches will leave your loved one feeling extra special on their special day. Unleash your creativity and make some DIY birthday gifts this year. Bring joy, love, and fun to the celebration. And DIY birthday gifts are surprisingly easy to make and provide endless ideas for creating special, thoughtful, personalized presents. From homemade candles to jewelry boxes and customized diaries to edible treats. These meaningful homemade birthday gifts have unique ideas for kids, adults, parents, friends, and everyone you love a lot. Crafting homemade gifts shows you appreciation and love for a special family member, friend, partner, or colleague. These DIY birthday presents create unforgettable memories and show your loved ones how much you care. Whether selecting one of these easy to make DIY birthday gifts for a close relative, friend, or workspace superior, you'll surely give them something unique and memorable. Are you looking for unique homemade birthday gifts? Do you want to give something special and memorable to your family and friends that won't break the bank? Look our amazing collection of these cheap DIY birthday gifts. You can choose the best one which you would like to make for your loved one. For more amazing ideas, please do subscribe the channel and come again for amazing videos. You can find different playlists there. Thank you.